I don't think that there's anything else like this in our region. I think it's pretty one of a kind.
When they actually eat our product, they know that it's handcrafted, that there's real people actually making it. It's not just all machines making it. It's made from scratch, in-house.
At the end of the day, I want someone to be able to take a bite of our chocolate, smile, and know that the time and the effort and the joy that it brought to all of us, we want it to bring to you.
If you like chocolate and desserts, there's something to be said about Coco Dolce in downtown Wichita. This isn't only a chocolate-making factory, but also a fun bar and meeting space.
There are families that come in here and they get their kids cookies and have a great time in our lounge, but then there's also like people who use our space for date night, and it's just a really secluded and like perfect little lounge.
But it's behind this glass where things get really interesting.
Right here, people can come and watch and see what's going on.
Lead chocolatier Lisa Mickey knows how to make your traditional chocolates. In fact, easily 10,000 pounds worth in a year.
That's a lot of chocolate.
But what she's really into is thinking outside the box when it comes to flavors.
So we also have truffles. I think our most popular truffle at Coco Dolce is our champagne. People love it. It has sparkle, it has a little alcohol in it, and it tastes really good. I do a lot of innovation starting. I create most of the flavors. The palate, all the taste testing is something that I love to do.
But not to be outdone, this chocolate shop is also home to pastry chefs.
These are the macs I made today.
Callie Hebert's specialty.
When I get in, my main priority throughout the day is going to be macaroons. That's all I do.
Bright colors, delicate desserts. It's something that brings people joy.
Their expressions on their face, they're just talking, enjoying, the way they're reacting to what they're eating and drinking. You can just see it when they're having a good time.
And that brings us back to Emily Sutcliffe and the tasting room.
We display it in this case because they're all so beautiful and one of a kind. They're really pieces of art.
Decorated chocolates lined up like jewels in a high-end shop.
And I hope that they are just kind of blown away by the presentation and the beauty of our product.
And as if there was anything else that could make Coco Dolce even better. But there is. These chocolates are preservative-free. Everything they make here is simple.
Cream, chocolate, butter, all that good stuff that you love.
It is a definite concern that people don't want to be eating preservatives. They want to be eating foods that are healthy for them and that are good for their body, but they also want sweets too. So this is like a great middle of the road where you know exactly what's going into your food that you're eating, but it's also like very tasty.
So many options, so many flavors, and so many memories to be made. Because let's face it, when was the last time you had a front row seat at a chocolate factory?